When you will check for Wi-Fi next time, maybe you will connect from this giant helium blimp floating 12 miles above Earth. It's 213 feet long, solar-powered, and can stay in the sky for months at 60,000 feet. It beams internet, tracks methane for the EPA, and watches wildfires. Want a robot roommate that's neat, helpful, doesn't flirt with your girlfriends, and doesn't leave socks everywhere? The Astrobot S1's got your back. It is a humanoid robot designed for both domestic and industrial tasks. Here we have a Danish wave energy system that does something clever. It generates electricity and can also produce fresh water. Flat plates float on the waves and move back and forth, powering pumps that pressurize seawater. That pressure can move a turbine to produce electricity. With a 15-foot wingspan and weighing just 55 pounds, Solar X1 can travel 370 miles on a single flight using only sunlight. Built by X-Sun, it's designed for long missions like mapping and environmental monitoring. Alakai Technologies has built something that feels straight out of the future. Its aircraft runs on hydrogen fuel cells, which means it produces zero emissions. The only byproducts are water and heat. It can travel about 400 miles and stay in the air for 4 hours. At Rocket Lab's Maryland facility, a massive automated fiber placement machine is reshaping how rockets are built. The 39-foot-tall system lays carbon fiber for the Neutron rocket's biggest parts at high speed, checking its own work in real time. This robot is smaller than a flea, but it could change how doctors treat patients. Built at Northwestern University, it measures just 0.02 inches wide and is shaped like a tiny crab. Plus, it runs on laser light. Next, we have a place for you to rest. Seriously, a quiet little cocoon built for real rest. It's Zero Seat, inspired by NASA to help you fully relax. You get clean oxygen, gentle back massage, soft lighting, and calming music. It even wakes you after 20 minutes. Enough sleep, back to work. Batu gives you a full body massage. It uses smart AI to adjust the air pressure to fit your shape. The airbags inflate and deflate about 10 times a minute, creating a gentle wave motion that supports and relaxes your body. Moving to Total Sense, where your shower is more than just hot air. The Total Sense provides an steam shower experience through advanced steam regulation and sensory. It combines steam, light, scent, and sound into a complete home spa setup.